Yeah, jump starters are definitely no toys. They are super powerful helpers. This jump starter from LOKITHOR has a whopping 2000 amps at 12 volts, makes it a peak of 24,000 watts. So it's super important that we buy good quality, and one way to achieve that is to buy from a good trusted brand like LOKITHOR here in this situation, so we can be sure that everything is well designed. We have a lot of protection built in to avoid consequences when we make some mistakes. I mean, usually jump starters, that's not something which we use on a daily basis. And so we don't want to read instructions manual for hours. That's also something which is very important, that we have a device which is very easy to use, straightforward. And so of course also the LOKITHOR J400 here ticks all the boxes, everything what we need, everything what we can expect from a good quality, high power jump starter. But of course, it's not only important to have maximum power. There are quite some things which can be very important. And so I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get, and then I'm going to show and explain you some details. I've already tested a couple of the devices and everything has been working really good. So they have a huge range of different jump starters. Most of them have light extra charging capabilities, some even come with tire inflators. Here we have a rather small, simple one, really focusing on jump starting. Here's some information about the brand and how to use it, but I'm going to show you that anyway. And so here we have it. What I also love here with LOKITHOR is this very modern design. But here in this case, it's not only small and beautiful, it's also very lightweight. But we still have a powerful light built in, which you can use here. So we can long press, turn it on. What you can see that the thing here is illuminating really strong. This can be super helpful, and we do not only have one light, we have two lights, very important. One light can always fail, but two lights almost impossible at the same time. When we push again, starts flashing. We push again, goes into automatic SOS, and we push again, turns off. And what we also see here is this really good display with really large numbers, good visible from all the sides, and the illumination is so strong that you can also see it easily outside in bright sunlight. That's also very important. With some other jump starters, I've been struggling a lot to see anything here. It's very easy. And on the front, we have the opening for the jump starter, dedicated connector, of course, to these strong clamps, solid build, great protection all the way around. So if you have it already connected to the battery and drop one accidentally, it won't make any contact, very important. And the other end comes with this special shape plug. So this makes sure that we can only connect it when we have plus and minus correctly here. So I close it here again. And on the other side, we have the really nicely protected USB port for the USB-C, which is input and output, and standard USB-A as an output, which you can use to charge your phone, tablet, computers, whatsoever. So here you can see everything a little bit closer, how beautiful this is, how small, how powerful. And so here you can see it a little bit closer. Definitely great design, and so super small and lightweight. It's only around 1 pound and still super powerful, so it can start diesel engines up to 6 liters and gas engines even up to 8 liters, and this up to 25 times. But of course, it's not recommended to do that in a row. We shouldn't use that more than 5 times within 15 minutes to prevent overheating. Of course, this is a normal thing with every jump starter. It has nothing to do with LOKITHOR. But we have also an emergency boost start. So let's test here inside the USB, and then outside, of course, the jump starting function. So we can easily charge the jump starter here, and it even shows the charging power. Get confirmation here. Here we see also the charge indicator light. So currently it's in yellow, around 50%. Maximum charging speed probably around 15 watts. depending on the charging level. So let's unplug it. And so we want to see if we can charge our phones. So here, first one on USB-A, second one on USB-C, and we get confirmation that both are charging, and we can see also the charging speed. The minus is indicating here that we are using in total 3 watts to charge our phones because they are almost fully charged. Maximum output is also 15 watts, same as input. As additional accessory, we get also this standard USB-A to modern USB-C charging cable, which you can use to charge the jump starter, or also use the USB-A here to charge your phone. It doesn't come with a power brick, but I still prefer this solution way over the proprietary solutions, which still a lot of jump start manufacturers are using, where they deliver power brick, but you have to use their proprietary plug, while we can charge this jump starter from every standard USB-A port or even USB-C. By the way, this one here is C to C with PD, so we can see it has built-in PD trigger, which is absolutely awesome. A lot of devices don't have PD triggers, so here we have it. So we are well prepared for the future. As we are here at the car, let's connect the clamps here. Here we see the plus. But first I always start with the minus, because the minus is also the chassis. So it's the safer option to start with the minus here in the back. So I'm holding this so nothing can happen. And now we can see a small disadvantage here with these clamps. They are a little bit bulky. I wish they were a little bit more sharp, a little bit thinner here at the tip. But I still have it here. Now let's open the lid and connect it to the jump starter. Now time to turn it on, and you can see how nicely we can see the display. And so it gets into a countdown, and after 10 seconds it shows the voltage of the car. And so the car is now ready to start. So let's go inside, try to start. Yeah, and it starts right away. Can stop this. Of course, usually we let it run for quite a while till the battery is fully charged. Highly recommended before you do anything, just stop the start function. We can long press and turn it off. Disconnect it here. Disconnect first the red one, plus, and then the minus. If that doesn't work for the first time, we can repeat that up to 5 times within 15 minutes. Make sure that you give it some time to cool down in between of the different start attempts. If this still doesn't help, we have some boost function. For that we connect the clamps first, turn it on, and then we press the M for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, it will go into this boost mode. You can see as soon as you attach the clamps here, it will provide automatically the power. In this boost mode, it will then disable also some safety mechanisms, so you have to be really careful with that. It will also then show the voltage of the jump starter instead of the voltage of the car battery. Make sure that it's fully charged. So in this state with only 2 bars, it's not advised to use it in the boost mode. But you have seen it, it worked absolutely awesome, absolutely no problem, very powerful, easy to use, great display here, even working outside, awesome lights. Yeah, we have everything what we need, so everything has been working really good. I just wish the clamps would be a little bit thinner, so it would fit also perfectly for some newer battery installations like we have here. But other than that, absolutely awesome. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.